This is a platform created to bridge the gap that got developed unfortunately between the teachers, students and parents in the past decade in the field of academics. This gap is mainly because of the unfulfilled expectations due to difference in the ideology and thinking process of these three groups. Hello everyone, my name is Sukriti Gagrani and I have been in this field of mentoring, teaching and counseling for past 8 years now. I am associated as a middle school teacher in Bhopal. Lately, I have been interacting a lot with young parents, especially whose children are between the age group of 9 to 15 years. This video is for all those young parents and also for those whose kids are about to enter this age group. I really request you all to please watch the video till the end and let me know by the end if you could relate and benefit something from this. We have observed that these young parents are extremely possessive about their children. मैंने ये जो टर्म यूज किया है possessive, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप कुछ गलत कर रहे हैं अपने बच्चे के साथ possessive होके. Please try to understand the little message that I, on behalf of the entire teaching fraternity, would like to convey to each and every parent listening me out there. आज की डेट में आपका बच्चा हमारे साथ कम से कम 6 hours spend करता है, and that too in the growing years of his life. And दूसरी और ज़्यादा important बात, most of these young parents are working in nature. They are associated with some or the other profession where they are not really able to spend quality time with their children. So tell me logically, who will be knowing your child in a better way? You as parents or we as teachers? I'm giving you a food for thought so that you can ponder upon right after I complete my video by conveying the message I want to give you all. I often come across statements like, How dare you scold my child? आपने मेरे बच्चे के साथ पार्शियलिटी करी है. उसका काम तो सबसे अच्छा था, उसके बाद भी उसको काफी कम मार्क्स आए हैं. These are few of those common complaints that we come across on a daily basis. Dear parents, try to understand one simple logic. हमको ऐसा कुछ भी करके क्या पर्सनल बेनिफिट होने वाला है? इनफैक्ट अगर हमने आपके बच्चे को थोड़ा सा डांट दिया तो शायद ये उसी के बेनिफिट के लिए है. आप क्या चाहते हैं? टू रेज अ रियली फ्रैजिल एंड अ डेलिकेट चाइल्ड, और यू रियली वांट योर चाइल्ड टू बी बोल्ड इनसाइड आउट? I am very sure no matter how protective or possessive you are about your child, still by hook or by crook you really want him to be strong in the outside world. Then why don't you give us the complete right to mentor him the same way you are doing at home, in spite of the fact that he or she is spending a lot of time with us? हम लोग एक ऐसे प्रोफेशन को बिलोंग करते हैं जहाँ पे हमको सिर्फ सब्जेक्ट एक्सपर्ट से नहीं, इनफैक्ट वी आर एक्सपेक्टेड टू बिहेव एज फादर एंड मदर फिगर्स नो मैटर व्हाट एज वी आर इनटू. उम्मीद तो आपने हमसे बहुत सारी लगा ली, बट आपने हमको इतना हक कहाँ दिया? With the advent of technology and just on a click, आप लोगों का कॉल आ जाता है कि how dare this is a situation that my child is into, or maybe some or the other trouble you keep on sharing. Sharing is important. मैं आपसे ये नहीं कह रही हूँ कि अगर आपका बच्चा आपके पास कोई कंप्लेंट लेकर आ रहा है तो आप उसको मत सुनिए. Of course, that is really important and in fact it's one of the major aspects of parenting as far as my understanding states. But parents, I really want you all to give us that 100% right with a 100% trust. Trust is something which cannot be in between. It is either 0 or 100. अगर आप अपने बच्चे की टीचर पे यकीन ही नहीं करेंगे तो किस बेसिस पे आप उसको स्कूल भेज रहे हैं? What are your expectations under the heading of moral education? Because today the parents do not have that much amount of time to inculcate certain values that are really important with respect to personality development. Probably that is what we as teachers are doing, not just to teach him our particular subject, but also to inculcate these certain values that we are inadvertently expected to do. This is indeed a very delicate matter these days, where my intentions are extremely pure and not to hurt the sentiments of any of the parent listening me out there. Neither I am here to question your style of parenting. But my only message to all of you listening me out there is that please trust us completely. Trust us that we will think the best for your child the same way you do it. If there is a particular issue that your child is struggling with, or a shortcoming or a gray area, please share it with us. Not maybe with a class teacher, but a particular department that the school has as a counseling team. We will be really happy to help him or her in the best possible way. The more we know, the better understanding we have. Thank you everyone for listening me so patiently. After all, I believe the agenda between you and us is common: to raise the youth together.